Everyone is talking about AI automation, but the most of the peoples are just talking about tools, not systems. But the businesses don't need more tools. They need workflow that actually works. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about business automation for real businesses example. No hype, no confusion. If you are a student, freelancer, or business owner, this video will save your months of confusion. This is Vasibori, founder of AI for System. I design automation systems for real businesses, bookings, follow-ups, lead recovery, and internal workflows. So what AI automation really means? When people hear about AI automation, they think it's something more complex or technical. But in reality, AI automation is a simply logic that triggers AI working together to remove that repetitive human work. For example, when a customer fills out a form, that action becomes a trigger. The system responds automatically and follow-ups happen without a human doing anything manually. And that's automation. No coding, no magic, just structured logic. This is where most of the people got confused. Tools don't make money, systems do. Let me give you an example. Zapier, Make are just wires, but actually AI is the brain. Websites, WhatsApp, and email are simply customized for using communication channels on their own. None of these do anything, but when you connect them properly, that automation starts working and scaling. So how you use AI automation in real business cases? Let's look at real businesses. Many restaurants lose customers simply no responding on WhatsApp messages on time. With automation, the system replies instantly, shares the menu, and follows up for bookings. So what about clinics? Clinics lose money due to missed appointments. Automated reminders reduce no-shows. That's actually e-commerce store lose that sales just because of they are not automated WhatsApp messages and emails. And most of the important part is that automation protects that revenue that businesses are already losing. Let me give you a common beginner mistake. Most of the beginners are failed at automation, not because it's difficult, because they are learning it into wrong way. They are learning 10 tools at once. Copy automation from YouTube without understanding them properly. You are just ignoring actual business problems. If automation does not solve a real business's problem, that is useless. Tools are important, but they are secondary. Whether it's Zapier, Make, WhatsApp, messages, email system, website, or like OpenAI, they will keep just changing. The logic behind the automation stays same. But once you understand that logic, the tools will become more easy. If you are a student or beginner, that's correct way to start. But first understand the concept, the workflow that actually works. Then learn triggers and conditions. Build a small system, test them, and improve it over time. And remember this point, automation is not about building big systems. It's about building a correct systems. By the way, if you want real AI automation education, subscribe. I'll break down everything step by step. Just wait for upcoming videos. Cheers.